Hi! Beautycounter has a new line of anti-aging products.
Anti-aging.
So we can look young forever. Not just with our clean lifestyle and healthy eating and, lots of sleep and self-care.
And amazing genes. You forgot amazing genes.
Right. Yeah, we do actually. We both are lucky. We have pretty great genes.
I was just in California and was hanging out with some of my older cousins who were like 15 years older than me, and some aunts who were like around 80 or are 80. And man, everybody looks so good. Like they look the same way as I remember them from like 10, 20, and 30 years ago.
What do you think the secret is?
Good genes, for
Good
sure.
genes,
Good genes,
yeah.
yeah.
Well hydrated.
I don't know, man.
Gardening.
Gardening, though, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, for the aunts, yes,
Yeah.
but not for the cousins. Yeah, genes. Genes, yeah.
Yeah.
My auntie, my grandmother, she looked amazing when she died. Yeah, I can't remember how old she was, but over 80. Yeah, anyway, and she looked great, even like right to the end. Even after the end, still looked good.
There's some longevity in my family too. You either die in your 80s of a heart attack or you live to be 101.
Mm.
I'm gonna live to be 101.
Just on your own?
Maybe 102. We'll see. Game day decision.
All right. Beauty without excuses. Oh.
So this entire COUNTERTIME collection, all of the components, 6 components, is $512 Canadian.
Holy moly. I mean, that's pretty good if you're gonna like end up looking like us.
For our US customers, it is
Was that it? $390?
Yeah, $382 US dollars. I haven't had a chance to try this. There was a little bit of a hiccup with shipping the pre-order and it didn't arrive until Raj was gone. I wanted to wait for Raj to do our before and after pictures and experience this product together.
This is us before.
Get out of my way. Hogging the camera. 91% of people that have tried this product have had results. Results for acne, for fine lines and wrinkles, for sagging, for dark circles.
Wait.
91% of participants said skin felt renewed and looked revitalized.
Yeah, the things that
After
you included
just
though, like sagging, like
4 weeks in a consumer perception study.
is this like a full body thing? They're like no longer saggy?
Well, no, your face. You
Uh,
can use it on your whole body if you want, but it is fairly expensive. Like, that's what causes the wrinkles, right? Your cheeks sag, around your eyes sag,
Okay.
under your chin sag.
I wasn't sure. Got it? I was just double checking. I don't know anything about this. This is the first time that I'm knowing anything about it. Yeah.
Anti-aging skincare. So I don't know if any of you use retinol products, but
I don't.
I do not either. There are some side effects and some not well studied issues with retinol products, but it does definitely make your skin look different. So this is a
that's sneaky.
natural. This is an alternative. This is a retinol alternative.
All right, cool. Let's get into it.
Okay.
On the boxes, they say what step it is.
Mm-hmm.
But it's pretty sneaky because they all say step 1 through 4, but then there's whatever this box is, and it's got a 5 on it. Oh my gosh.
So So you could use
Is that
this
like a bonus?
in conjunction with other products. You can mix and match however works best for your skin. Everyone's an individual.
91%. That's amazing. Okay.
That's pretty fantastic.
All right.
So I've seen a number of, they've got before and after pictures on the website on beautycounter.com/Holly Marth. And there's some before and after shots. And then I've been scrolling through Facebook and trying to learn a little bit about this product. It seems to be pretty fantastic. People with acne, anyone with some fine lines and wrinkles, sun damage.
Look how pretty this is.
It's beautiful. It is all in glass packaging as well.
Ooh.
Yeah. So Beautycounter as a company is moving away from plastics in general. Microplastics and plastics in our system are endocrine disruptors. And Beautycounter is biting the bullet and spending the money on glass packaging.
That's awesome.
Mm-hmm.
I can't wait till we start using them.
Start using them?
Reusing them.
Reusing them, yeah.
Okay, you just send it back. And
Yeah, so they're working on a program for that as well.
Sweet!
Mm-hmm.
Beautycounter, go!
Sustainability.
Yeah.
Plastic, it's mind-blowing to think all plastic ever made still exists in this earth.
Yeah, that's
Crazy.
totally messed up.
Yeah.
What was the other stat about all about recycled materials or things that are put into recycling? Is it like 5% of stuff that's like marked recycled gets recycled or something like that?
Which is also crazy.
Yeah, like we're making like no dent by recycling. Reuse. Reduce and reuse. Anyway, back to this stuff.
Yeah, all glass packaging, and as we roll through into fall, Beautycounter will be switching over all of their products into glass packaging, as many as they can. So glass and paper over plastics.
Alright. So anyway.
Luxurious cleansing oil. I don't know if you've ever used a cleansing oil, but the face oil is really the gateway product, I think, that got Raj hooked, and me too, between the charcoal bar and the face oil.
Yeah, the face oil.
Yeah,
all the oils. I really enjoy them. I'd never, prior to getting on with Beautycounter, I'd never used oils as a moisturizer before. I love it. Yeah, cool. So this is step 1. Use it in the morning and at night. And that's all I have to say.
2 to 3 pumps. So these full-size products should last you, I would say, at least a couple months. Not longer. We'll be able to tell you in a few months after we've tried it. So cleansing oil doesn't strip your skin, leaves it ready for the second step. Mineral Boost Hydrating Essence.
And this one you use also at night and in the morning. Or in morning and the night.
Similar to a toner, like that same kind of.
It's very pretty.
And every time I hear the word essence, I think of Zoolander. Where he's a merman.
Oh, the essence of water.
The essence of water.
Or essence of wetness.
Is water. So I just think of.
I love that you just referenced that. That was good.
Yeah.
Step 3 is smaller, but just as cute.
Trying to get the glare
I feel
down.
like
The
it's
glare
still just
down.
looking at me. I don't know. So it's supposed to focus that way.
Counter time. Tripeptide Radiance Serum.
3 protein radiant serum. Okay, cool.
I'm in love with the serum. The Counter Match Serum is the best. It's my Jiminy Jam.
This is also AM and PM.
Yeah, so you've got the cleanser, the toner, and then the serum.
Radiance. Oh, we're waiting on
Help
me.
you get
Oh
you
my
started.
gosh, hurry up.
Number 4.
Number 4, part 1. Number 4A.
4A.
It is called.
Antioxidant Soft Cream.
And you use this in the morning. See? Also, again, very pretty.
So it would be like a day cream.
Should I be reboxing these? I should have left them out so that it all looks pretty together.
Yeah, I'd like you to smell them too, because you're not a huge fan of the counter match smell.
That's true.
So I'm hoping that you'll prefer the Countertime.
Tetrapeptide Supreme Cream.
This
Supreme
is like
Cream. Come on.
It sounds so sexy. Oh, that's just the Supreme Cream for my face.
This is step 4.5.
This kind of sounds dirty.
Or B. Or PM.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so this is the day cream. Oh, that is the night cream.
Also, again, probably I don't know if that's working. We'll find out when we look at the lighting. They're still waiting on me. Oh my gosh. And this is the bonus 5. I mean, not bonus.
Numero 5. Eye
Ooh,
cream.
Another eye cream.
Yeah. So I had
That's cool packaging, man. I like
fallen
that.
in love with the rejuvenating eye cream.
Yeah, dittos.
Which they are going to be doing away with that line. This is replacing it.
Oh, well, but
Yeah, so there is the Counter Match, which is adaptive, and the Nourishing line, which is a great entry level. And now we've got the Countertime.
Cool.
We're countering time.
Do you think this is gonna do more for like eye bags?
I'm not sure.
I hope so. That's like the big thing for me, I find.
Yeah.
That's like the thing that I would like most like to correct.
Is the eye
Or
bags.
reverse. Yeah, it's the eye bags. I don't know, it's so bad right now, or maybe it's the camera or the lighting or something, but that's the thing that I always notice. Yeah.
Yeah. In as much as my genes are great, I also have a genetic predisposition for great big, not just bags, but full sets of luggage underneath my eyes. Dark circles, a little bit of anemia runs in the family, so there's like dark circles. And... So, we'll take some before pictures.
I thought we just did that.
We'll take some during pictures.
Oh, photos.
Photos. And
Not just creepily getting up on...
all up on the thing, pushing each other out of the way. And we'll give it a shot. I'm really excited to try all of this. It seems to be like the product.
It better be.
Mm-hmm.
$500. I mean, but I guess if you compare that to any other like anti-aging like stuff, it's probably same-ish,
Yeah.
cheaper.
Only you haven't got the benefit of glass packaging, third-party testing,
Right.
1,500 ingredients banned that are known carcinogens and endocrine disruptors.
Yeah.
So,
But I mean, for somebody who doesn't give a damn about exposing
just wants to
themselves
look
to
it?
all that crap, then
that's true. Then it's very comparable.
yeah.
Yeah. You can also buy each item individually. Try it out that way if you'd like to. And we do have a
Get
60.
that eyebrow up. It's more of a like strain through the whole face. But I can like rock this one easier.
Raj is not listening to anything I'm saying. He's just making faces at himself on the camera. He's gonna edit this video and just replace my voice with that Charlie Brown sound. Like, wah, 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 wah.
I already did that.
I know. 60-day money back guarantee if there's product you don't like. And there is a
60 days.
60 days. You try a product out for 60 days, decide you don't like it, send it back. There's a money back guarantee.
So these 91% people, what were they saying their time frame that they saw?
4 weeks.
Whoa, you get half of that for money back guarantee-ish?
Yeah.
That's pretty darn impressive.
Yeah. So what are you waiting for? There's no risk.
Wait, 4 weeks? And 60 day. What did it?
It's a 60-day money back,
attention.
so 8 weeks. Mm-hmm.
So you get your benefits for sure. Or not for sure. You get to know.
You know for sure. Yeah, if you diligently use the line, you can definitely decide whether you like it or not in
Pretty dope.
60 days. It is. Yeah.
That's like really impressive.
So when
That makes me like extra mad at the... Wow, this is a tangent. It makes me extra mad about the wineries and their tasting fees. That's maybe a rant for another day, I think.
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, we just, not only did we like veer off track, we
I'm
like
just
went down
saying
the
because,
ravine
like,
and we were rolling over the
But that's
ravine.
pretty good, like.
What can you try for 60 days and then decide you don't like and give back? Nothing.
Yeah, in a time frame where you will actually see the results.
Yeah. Nothing.
That's insane.
Right?
Hmm.
There is also a consultant discount. So if you're interested in joining the team,
You should join our team!
You should join our team. We have the most fun.
Do we?
Well, yeah, I do.
With the team?
Sometimes.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
I should get on that team.
Huh?
Alright.
Any questions? Reach out.
Her. She knows the things.
Just a couple things. But excited to get this started. Are you excited?
Oh my gosh, this wasn't recording. Just kidding, it totally was.
17 minutes. We'll just do it all again. That's fine. Talk to myself all day.
Done?
Yeah.
This is the faces right now, the before faces.
Smash.